Hello everyone, I am Professor Amit Jadhav. Today we are going to see the string data type from Python. So string is very important data type where we collect the different characters for it. So string is nothing but it's a collection of characters that is surrounded by single quotes, double quotes or triple quotes. So the string enclosed in a single quote, double quote, or triple quote. The computer only understands 0 and 1. It does not understand the character. So we must convert these characters into 0, 1 binary format. And for that we use interpreter. The interpreter is the programmer that converts the character to 0, 1 format, that is binary format. In Python, the strings can be created by enclosing the characters or the sequence of characters in the code. Python allows us to use single quote, double quotes, or triple quotes. So the syntax of string is str is equal to hi Python. Here we enclose the string in a double quote. Okay. So, so next point is how to create a string in a Python. We can create a string by enclosing single quote, double quote. Python also provides the triple quote representing the strings, but it's generally used for the multi-line string. So we can enclose the string in a single, either in a single or double quote. It has the same meaning. If we use triple quote, that means we use for the multi-line. Okay. So this is a simple example. Let's see practically. So here we open Python. We create on a file and new file. First we save the program. F drive, Python and programs. String1.py. So to create a string, simply we use the variable. For example, name str1 is equal to, first we use single quote. I write here hello Python. Okay. Here we write string is in single quote. Here we enclose the string. We create one more string with name str2, but now it's in a double quote. So I write here string is in double quote hello Python. Okay. And we can use triple quote also. str3 is equal to triple quote string in triple quote this is known as multi-line string. Okay, let's save the program by pressing Ctrl S and execute it using run module. Here we did not get any output because we do not print it. So for that we must write print statement. I forget to write this. So print string1, then print str2 and print str3. Okay, we save the program and run it. using run option. So here we get the output. String is in a single quote, hello Python, double quote, and in a multi-line string. So this is simple example of string. Our next point is string indexing and splitting. So we can split the string as per our requirement. We access the string using string index. In last lecture, we have seen list indexing. In that we access the list elements using its index. Same like that, we can access the string characters using index, and we can split the string as per our requirement. So this is the simple string. The string contains hello, and if I want to access H character, I write there str0. If I want to access E character, str in square bracket 1, 2, and so on. Let's see one simple example to print a string. Using index. So for that, we save the program and write its name string2.py. Here we write the string with letter hello, and then we print the string character using index. So here we print first character, second 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so here we change the index with 1, 2, and 3. One more, 4, and we get the output. Let's see. We run the program using run option. Here we get the separate characters H, E, L, L, O. And if we try to access the fifth element and that is not present in a string, it will shows an error. So if we write print str5 and if we run the program, so it gives us error that index error, string index is out of range. Okay, so we can, the string index starts from 0 and end with n-1. So here the characters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but index up to 4 and it starts from 0. Next point, we can also use colon for it, colon operator, to print particular string. If we want to print str in square bracket 0 to 2, let's see the output. So it will print HE. Here we give the comment. Okay, if we want to print whole string, then we write print str in square bracket 0 and colon. What happened? End of line. Sorry. We remove this part, we don't require now. So here it will print whole string. Here we get the output hello. It will print whole string. If we write colon and 0, colon and 4, then it will print HELL 0, 1, 2, and up to 3. Okay. So we can specify the index number. Here we get EL, that is character between 1 to 3. Okay, next we can do the negative slicing also. As we have seen in a list, we can access dynamic list. It will start from 0 and ends with -1. The last character represent or access using -1, second last -2, third last -3, fourth last -4, and fifth last -5. So here we divide or slice the string using negative index. So str -1 is O, -2 is L, -3 is L, -4 is E, and -5 is H. If we want to use the particular index, we can write here -3, 1, -1, LL. So we see practically. So if we write here colon up and -1, it will print whole string. We run the program again. So it will print up to hello. And if we write -1 and colon, we run the program, it will print O only. Okay, that means it will start from -1. The -1 is the last character, so it will print O only. Okay, here are some different combination. String -4, -1. So it will print so this is -1, -2, -3, -4. So it will print from E to O. Let's see the output. And we get ELL. Okay. It will start from E and ends with L. And if we write -5 to -1, then it will print HELL. Okay. So different combination we can use here. If we enter wrong index, then it will throw an error. Suppose we write -12, it gives index out of range error. Next point is reassigning strings. Updating the content of the strings is easy as assigning it to new string. The strings object does not support item assignment. That is, a string can only be replaced with the new string since its content cannot be partially replaced. So we cannot, strings are immutable in Python. So we cannot modify the string. Instead of that, we can create the new string. Let's see the example. Str hello, and here we want to change the first character with small h. So if we write like this, str0 is h, and then try to print the string, it will give us an error. Let's see the program practically. Here I copy the program and paste it here. We save the program and run it. Here we get an error because strings are immutable. We cannot modify the string. Instead of that, we can create a new string. So let's see the example. Here str is hello, and after that we assign small character to it. Here we print the string. After that, we assign small characters to string, and then we print string again. We run the program. Here we get the two different outputs, hello in a capital and hello in a small, because we assign the small characters to the same string. So it will first print hello in a capital and then print hello in a small. So if we want to modify the string, just assign it to the string variable. Next one, deleting the string. As we know that the string are immutable, we cannot delete or remove the characters from the string, but we can delete the entire string. So here we cannot delete the single characters. We can delete the whole string. Let's see the program. So here hello is the string, and if I want to delete str and first character, that means I want to delete e character here, and then we print the remaining string. It gives me an error. So it gives me the type error that string object does not support the deletion. We cannot delete single items, but we can delete the string. So instead of delete single character, we delete whole string. And then we try to print it, it shows an error. That is the type error here we get. It only print the str character. It will not print the string characters. Okay, it will print only type of it as the string is deleted. Then we can use different operators in a string. Plus operator we use, it used to concat the string. If we want to concat two different strings, then we use plus sign. Let's see. If we write the string first, ICS, and str1 is equal to college. If we want to concat the string, we use plus operator. So here I plus it and see the result. We just save the program. String 3.py and save the program. Let's run the program. Here we get the string in a concat format because we use plus sign. Okay. If we want to give some space, we can give it here, or we can add space in between it. Yes, here we get the space. We concat here by using plus sign. So here we add the space between two strings and concat the whole string. Next is we can use star. It known as the repetition. How many times we want to repeat the string. Here the multiplication operator is used for the multiple times print. For example, here if we want to print ICS string 5 times, then I write here print str star and 5. it will print ICS string 5 times. We save the program and run it. So here we get ICS 5 times. Square bracket we use for index. Colon is used for slicing the characters. In membership operator for the substring, not in, it reverse the string. Percent is used to format. R is for the raw string. Then there are also some functions are available. Capitalize is used to capital the string. So if we want to capital the string, we use this function. So if we want to print the string in a capital format, we use string.capitalize method. Save it. And if we try to run it, we get first letter capital. Then there are number of methods that we can use. Count method give us a count string.count. Oh, we must give the starting and ending. Str is not int. We need to modify the program because count is used to occurrence, how many times the string occur. So we modify the program. Here we write ICS college and no need to print the string. Here we create one more string str1 and str.count, and here we specify the character. For example, C, how many times the C repeated, and we print str1. Now run the program. So the C will repeat 1 and 2 times. If we use E also repeated 2 times. Here we get same result. And if we write I, it will repeat only 1 times. So we get 1. There are a number of methods used. Ends with, then find is used to find the particular string is present or not. Is alnum, is alpha. Is alnum is used to check whether the string consists of particular character or not. Alphabet is present or not. Number is present or not. Is alpha to check whether the alphabet is present or not. Is digit is used to check whether the digit is in the string or not. Is lower is used to convert the string into lower format. Is upper is used to convert the string in upper format. So these different methods we are going to see in a practical lecture. So we will use 5 to 6 methods that we use in a practical session. Okay, so here we end with our string data type. It's very easy. Some built-in functions that we are going to cover in our practical session. Here we end our session. If you find any difficulty, then you can call me. Thank you for watching.